How do we know if he sent a sign? Would he make it very clear? Yes, my darling. When the Lord sends a sign that he wants you to get it, he will make sure that you get it. Why? Simply because he is God. He knows how to get you to get it. Yes. So when you get up, like you see a dream and then you start telling the whole neighborhood, please don't do that. So when you see a dream or something or a sign happening in your life and you don't know what it is, stop saying, oh, is it from the Lord? Is it Satan? Is it me? Please relax. Just leave it. Time will tell. Time will tell. If it's from the Lord and you did not understand it, then it means he doesn't want you to know it now, because there's a time for it. And when the right time comes, he will make it known to you. It is the Lord who makes it known. I was dying to be a priest. That was my life's desire. Everything was dependent on being a priest. Back in 2003, a time came for my ordination as a priest. 2 days remaining for my ordination, I got deposed from the church by the highest rank in the church. For 1 week, I was in absolute shock. I did not eat, did not drink, did not leave the room. My earthly mom, God bless her in paradise, my earthly mom, she was going to lose it, seeing her son withering away. I received the biggest shock of my entire life. I was finished. It really gave me that uppercut. It was a knockout. I was dying to be a priest. It's like you're dying to marry someone, and 2 days to your wedding, everything gets cancelled. But this one was even greater than getting married to someone. It was to Jesus Christ. I got shocked. I was lost. I was gone. 6 years later, the very people who deposed me ordained me a priest. 2 years later, they ordained me a bishop. 2 years later, they kicked me out. But this time wasn't like last time. This time, it matters not. A piece of advice out of love and humility to every church leader. Do not ever focus on what Christ has given you. Focus on Him only. So if Christ made you a pope, do not focus on that position. Focus on the one who made you that pope. Because the moment you lose track of the owner and you focus on what you've received, you've lost Christ. You become useless. You become so weak. You become so disorientated. The focus has to be always on Christ. And now the Lord Jesus says, are you going to still love me, Bishop, when you are in the street? Or are you going to love me based on the condition that I put you on a high throne? How is your love for me? Is it dependent on the throne? And once the throne is gone, your love is gone? No, Lord, by your grace, of course, and your mercy, I love you on the throne. I love you at the gutter. I love you in the street. I love you in a cave. I love you in heaven, and I love you in hell. Because my love is for you, not for what you do for me. I love you for you. This is the way the Lord wants everyone to love Him. Love Him for Himself, not for what He does. Love Him for Himself.